When I would visit my grandfather in Mississippi, he would oftentimes load up the back of my truck with random hand tools he had been collecting, knowing I would restore them and use them. Or he would throw something in the back of my truck that he thought I would just appreciate. His shop will always be a special place to me. To some, it was an over-cluttered, grimy trailer attached to another grimy, dusty trailer. But to me, it was a haven. It looked like how my mind felt, and something about that was so comforting. I could stay in there for hours, watching him work, or just sitting. It was one of the few places my mind could genuinely relax. On one of the last times I visited my grandfather's shop, he hefted an old crate into my truck. It was full of dust and spiders and history and tools, and a few little wooden boxes. Over the last couple of years, I've thought about offering an introductory course in fiddle making that would cover the basics, but fiddles can be intimidating because there's so much to learn. But I thought maybe, just maybe, I could shortcut this for beginners by making a box for the body. And this little box that he gave me looked like a perfect fit for this project, just like when I made my first banjo out of an old paint thinner can. This little box fiddle is made to be quieter than normal and easy to take from place to place. I think my pops would have liked this one. So I hope you come along and let me show you how to make your own Mississippi box fiddle.